Step 1. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for an unarmed security officer license in Utah, you need to meet the following conditions. Complete a DOPL approved 8-hour basic training course. Submit fingerprint cards for state and federal background checks. Provide an email address for official communication. Certain convictions may disqualify you from being licensed. Also worth noting, in Utah, the license is issued to you as an individual. It isn't tied to your employer. Once you're licensed, you can move between companies as long as you stay current on renewal and CE requirements. 2. Complete the required training. Utah requires an 8-hour basic training course approved by DOPL. The course covers Utah law, emergency procedures, use of force, and reporting. Training must be completed with a provider listed by the state. Step 3. Once training is complete, you'll receive proof, usually a certificate of completion. Keep it safe. You'll need to submit it with your application. All links are in the video description. Step 4. Pass the exam. For unarmed officers in Utah, there is no separate state exam. Your knowledge test is part of the 8-hour training course. Step 5. Complete your fingerprinting and background check. Utah requires both BCI and FBI checks. Appointment is required, no walk-ins allowed. Bring a government-issued photo ID. Pay the fingerprint fees, state plus federal. Step 6. Submit your license application through Utah's Division of Occupational and Professional Licensing. Apply online through the licensing portal or by mail with the PDF form. Include your training certificate, fingerprint documents, and ID. The application fee is $60 plus fingerprint processing. Step 7. Let's break down the cost for licensing in Utah. Training is $50 to $120 depending on provider. Fingerprints and background check, about $32 for the state, plus $12 for the FBI is $44. The application fee is around $60. The estimated total is $150 to $225. And for perspective, the median wage for security guards in Utah is about $20.40 per hour, or $42,440 per year. Step 8. Once your application is approved, your license will be issued. Expect a few weeks for processing. You'll get email confirmation and you can verify your license online once active. Step 9. Renew your license every 2 years. The renewal fee is $42. It's due November 30th of even-numbered years. Must complete 32 hours of continuing education per renewal cycle. Step 10. Now that you're licensed, you can start applying for jobs. Search on job boards like Indeed. Need help getting started? I've got free digital items like a resume template on my Beacons page, plus premium guides and practice tests on my Etsy store. And don't forget to join the conversation with other guards on r/guard guides on Reddit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.